Okay, so I am standing in a woodland about 5 miles south of Peterborough, and I'm looking at two cast iron poles that are standing here apparently doing nothing. However, I'm at Holme Fen, which is the lowest point in the UK. It varies between 2.7 metres and 4 metres below sea level, which is about 9 feet. This first pole was put in 1852 by the Victorians, and this one in 1953, the newer one. Originally, they were driven solid straight to the ground, and what they're showing is how far the ground has collapsed down over the years because of drainage for agriculture. The reason why the area was drained back in the Victorian times, the Industrial Revolution was in full swing, and we needed land for agriculture, for food, as the population was booming. So a little bit of interesting information. This is the 1950s one, and this one is the 1880s one. Now, as you can see, it is very peaceful here today, and this is part of the Great Fen project. Now, Cambridgeshire Fens stretch from in this part of Cambridgeshire, North Cambridgeshire, into southern Lincolnshire and into Norfolk. And this part where we're now is the Holme Fen, and Woodwalton Fen, which is south of us, is part of the Great Fen project, aiming to recreate the area of what it did look like many years ago, before it was drained in the 1850s. Interesting fact, in the 1850s, when they did drain this area, there were protests and even a murder to stop it happening. However, it did still happen, and they're still being drained and pumped today, as this area is used largely for a lot of agriculture for the UK and beyond.